right, welcome back, my beautiful people. And in today's video, guys, right now, I'll be showing you guys how you could actually make more money online affiliates marketing. Now, you could actually make more money online if you are actually consistent. And I'll be showing you guys how, three platforms that would actually pay you from Nigeria or even from any third world country or even from Africa at large. Yes, guys, so I'm showing you guys this platform if you just stick through this video from the beginning to the end. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the easiest, or yeah, one of the easiest way to actually make money online, even as a beginner, because the only thing you got to do is just to pick up your product, note the kind of amount you'll be earning per sale, and also try to actually reach out to the right people and source it out to the right people, make your sale, make your first sale, and you make your commission. And that's as easy, because you can't affiliate marketing, you aren't creating any product. Yeah, you are not creating any product. It's actually a self-created, it's already created for you to actually just promote and make money for yourself. So that's why I say it's one of the easiest way to make money online, even as a beginner. So with that being said, guys, and without any other ado, if you are new here, please hit the like button for the algorithm, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more tips and tricks, and also to join our family. We are a happy family, and we love you. Please join our family right now, and thank you very much. And guys, without being said, guys, without much ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my 20 subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video, guys, on how to actually make money online. I'll show you guys the three websites that there's three platforms that are actually African based affiliate marketing platforms. Stick with me, guys, and let's get into the video. All right, so welcome back, my wonderful family, and right now, right here, and this video, right now, if I should go to YouTube or go to my Google Chrome and search for affiliate marketing, the first one of the first options that would actually pop out would be Clickbank. But no, guys, I would actually say no for a third world country person, or even someone from literally from Nigeria or from Ghana. Yeah, so guys, right now I'll be showing you guys the first platform to the actual third, and the third one is actually the best for me, because that's what I am actually promoting as at right now. And I've actually used all of them. I know how all of them actually works, and I'll be showing you guys these three platforms. Please stick with me to this video, and we'll be going to dissect everything about this platform, and we'll know everything about this platform, how they actually work, and how everything could be made, and how to actually withdraw your cash. Also, it's literally easy, because you just need your Nigerian bank account, and that's all. Yeah, so guys, the first one on my list would be no other one but Expertnear. Yes, guys. So Expertnear is one of the largest Nigerian or African, based affiliate marketing platform. Now, I'm actually using my phone to film this, because most of you are actually on your phone, and I want to actually be on the same page with you all. I don't want to actually, be on my system, and it would be like I literally have said this earlier on, but I'll still try to switch to my system in some other videos. Yeah, so let's jump in, right? So okay, I said affiliate marketing. On the first one is actually Expertnear. Why I would actually say Expertnear? Because Expertnear is one of the first affiliate platform which I actually tried out, and it's actually cool. The withdrawals every Friday, and yeah, every week you can actually withdraw from Expertnear, and they have over 300,000 products sold, and 77,000 plus affiliates, and also 100 plus product creators. Now, people that are actually creating products there. Now, if you want to be a vendor, you can actually post your job on Expertnear also. But if you want to actually join the Expertnear affiliate program, you actually need 10,000 naira to join the platform. And there's what they call 72 IG, which is actually I think over 100, and I think over $100 right now, over 60,000 plus, or even going to 70,000 if I'm not mistaken, because I don't really do Expertnear anymore, but that's what I tried, and it's actually working. So what this 72 IG is it's actually a course that will give you guys to learn everything, the basics about affiliate marketing on Expertnear. So that will actually lead us to the second one on my list. Alright, guys, so that brings us to the third platform, which is actually LearnerFlix. Now, LearnerFlix is actually a platform also called LAP. Now LAP is actually LearnerFlix and LearnerFlix affiliate program. That's LearnerFlix affiliate program LAP. And this platform is actually one of the largest also in Nigeria and also in Africa, because it is actually built by Sam Harvard. Now you says it, as you can see here, it says you too can grow a seven-figure income online even as a beginner, guys. Yes, with our copy and paste system, even if you currently have no skills, in 30 days you can actually make seven figures. Yeah, and that's actually true because I have tried this and it's actually amazing, guys. Yeah, so anyone with a smartphone can actually do this. And if it says no capital required, as you can see here. This is some Harvard, and I can actually play this video for you guys so you could learn you hear from him yourself. No, there's no need for that, guys. So I'll just leave you guys. This platform, as I said, LAP. You can search for LAP or LearnerFlix on Twitter. Sorry, on Google, and you'll see for yourself how all this platform actually works. I just want to give you guys the three platforms, the best platforms for me that are actually working, and which I've actually tried. Yeah, because I've actually tried all these platforms and they are cool and amazing. Now you can actually create your account here, start up your journey of $1,000 within the next 30 days. Yeah, and you're actually going to be making more if you are actually serious and you take it actually serious. You're going to be doing it. Yeah. Okay, as you can see here, this is Sam Harvard. Okay, so please give me a while so I can play this video for you guys so you could see for yourself why Sam Harvard is actually told him. Guys, my name is Sam Harvard, and in this short video, I'm going to do my best to answer all the questions. Yeah, so that's literally Sam Harvard. Yep. All right, so I just fixed my mic again. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so guys, that's actually amazing because this platform is actually one of the best which I've actually done. And you can just go to the registration page right now. You just click on that plus button at the top. It's gonna take you to this form, and as you can see here, it says first name, last name, email address, phone number, password. That's your preferred password which you want to actually use on LearnerFlix, and you actually confirm that same password again and sponsored ID. Yeah, that's literally all. And let's go to the third one on my list, guys, which is actually the best for me. That's just in my own opinion. That's what I'm actually saying, guys. That's just in my own opinion, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, so this is actually the third and the best for me as at right now. This is actually StakeCut, and StakeCut is actually one of the products, one of the platform which I'm actually promoting actively for now. And if you literally watch my video for you know that I actually promote StakeCut. Yeah, I think I've actually promoted one of StakeCut videos one, it's actually made me more sales, and I promoted it on my channel if you actually noticed, but I don't really want anyone to notice, so you might not notice about it. Yeah, guys, so StakeCut is actually a cool platform for you to actually create, and create an account here literally for free, not as the other ones which are actually paid. This one is actually free, not at 72 IG. That's expect near, that's actually you are actually paying literally around 70 to 80,000 naira to learn everything and start making money for yourself. But this one is actually free, guys, and here you can see they actually have a Telegram community. As you can see this button here which says create an account, create a free account. Now beside that button you can see here it says join community. Now if I click on that community right now, it's going to take me to my Telegram, but I'll do that at the end of this video. And this just literally how StakeCut actually works, and how amazing this platform is. And they actually have an course which you can actually go for free, start make more money for yourself, start this account right now, and start promoting right now. They have online courses, they have digital services, physical products, coachings, ebooks, consultings, and so on and so forth. And they are actually amazing, and you can actually get up to 50% sales commission on StakeCut. Yeah, guys, so our affiliate market makes it easy for you to actually start a business. Yes, guys, so this is actually one of the best business for you to actually start as an online beginner, or yeah, the online space is actually friendly for those who actually research about it. That's just the truth, guys. I would not lie about it. So watching this video, you have actually researched or YouTube recommending it for you, and I hope they recommend it to more people and we grow. Please like this video for the YouTube algorithm and also subscribe to the channel if you are actually getting value at this time of this video. Thank you very much, and let's continue. So guys, that's literally it guys. I don't really need to even say much about this platform. I don't really need to stay take much time. I just wanted to actually show you guys these platforms that are actually working, and it says joined over 3,000 different people online. This is actually Nigerian country, Ghanaian, and also different from Senegal, different from different parts of the world guys, and you are going to be making money. As I said earlier, this is South African country, and this is actually Uganda. There are different here, Tanzania and Rwanda. My phone is actually showing me Cameroon and Ghana, as I said earlier, and our one and only best country, which is actually Nigeria. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's literally it, and I think I will actually see you guys in the next video, because I've actually said much, and it's left for you guys to actually make money for yourself, which I actually hope you all make more money for yourself as you actually wish. And with that being said guys, thank you very much for joining me on this video. Thank you very much for sticking here with me. It's actually amazing. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.